Hello, I am Amelie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over how to download ClickUp. So there's a couple options here. ClickUp can be used in a web browser. There's also an app. So in order to download those, if you go to clickup.com/download, you can get access to the mobile app. Also, you can download a desktop app. Like I said, you can use it in a web browser, or you can get the desktop app, and those are here. And then there's a Chrome extension, and you can get that from the Chrome web store by clicking here. And there's also integrations with the voice assistants with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. And then along with that, there's also email add-ons, which allow you to turn an email into a task, which makes life super easy. If you are in your email and you need to quickly create a task, you can do so that way. The Chrome extension allows you to create tasks. You can also have a notepad, and that's right up here. I know it's kind of small to see, but you can do those from here. So this is the the browser extension. And so you can do a lot of things right from here. You can track time there. You can get to your notepad. You can send an email, take a screenshot. You can bookmark certain things, and then it'll create a task for that. You can also create tasks, as you can see here. And then the notepad is here. I'm not signed into it right now because I generally use the little icon that's down here if I'm going to use the notepad for that. Okay, so that's how to download ClickUp. Again, mobile app. You can get a desktop app, Chrome extension, voice assistance, and an email add-on. You can also use it inside of a browser. Again, I'm Amelie with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Make sure you subscribe to catch our future videos with quick tips for ClickUp, and when we go into more in-depth tutorials on how to organize things in ClickUp. If you are looking for one-on-one support or advice on how to best organize ClickUp, how to use it more effectively, you can use the link below to book a free call, and we can connect and figure out how to get you set up. So thank you so much for watching.